Hi everybody! In this lesson we will learn how to navigate the timeline numerically, as we have learned to navigate it using the shortcuts. In fact, mastering the navigation in the timeline is a crucial point in working fast in After Effects. Here on the left we can see that the timeline, our project is 2997 frames per second. The total frames of the composition is 600. As you can see, the timeline head indicator is on the second one. How can we navigate that? If we click, for example, 100, it moves to second number 1. 200, it moves to second number 2. As you can see, 500, it moves to the 5th second. We can jump forward and back with this time display. I can add or subtract. For example, if I want to move only, I can click plus 30. If I want to move backward 5 frames, I can click minus 5. Oh, it moves to frame minus 5. Yeah, if I want to subtract, I can click plus minus 5. Let's move to frame second 2, and then I will move 5 frames backwards. Move backward 10 frames forward. Yeah, as you can see, it's very easy to jump forward or backward by this method. The timeline display here is time based. I can click Control and click on the time display. It becomes frame based. Here I can say, for example, 100 moves to the frame 100, and as you can see, the timeline became frame based, not time based as well. Plus 20 moves to frame 120. I can say minus 20, it jumps to frame minus 20. Is there frames before the start of the composition? Yes, sometimes you want the animation to start before the composition show start. Sometimes, for example, you want the particle system to start emitting before the actual shown start on the composition, so you start animating from frame minus 20, for example, which we call pre-animation. I can click Shift and on the, so if I want to subtract, go backward, if I want to go backward 20 frames, I should add plus then minus 20. It subtracted only 20 frames from the timeline. That's it. Thank you for watching.